18th century Europeans thought it was a hoax when they first saw drawings of the peculiar creature. But make no mistake, this oddball animal's no joke. It's a one-of-a-kind all-terrain species combining 3 animals in one. And it goes from cute to killer in an instant. At first glance, they make no sense. From their plump furry tails to their broad-billed muzzles, the platypus is about the size of a beaver. But all comparisons end there. Even its name is deceiving. In Greek, platus means flat, and pus means foot. But this strange waddler's no flat foot. Its paws are webbed. It's one of only a few creatures that combines traits from birds, reptiles, and mammals. The freshwater platypus lives in only 2 places on the entire planet: Eastern Australia and here, Tasmania. The platypus is actually a throwback, the last surviving mammal in the genus Ornithorhynchus, meaning duck-like snout. This family of hodgepodge hybrids roamed the earth millions of years ago. Yet what makes the platypus truly incredible is how it remakes itself, transforming from swimmer to sprinter, bird imposter to mammal, and back again. But its most terrifying transformation is from docile to deadly. At first glance, the platypus seems mild-mannered. This non-aggressive hunter actually closes its eyes while searching for food, using its broad bill like a homing device. The soft-skinned snout has special sensor organs that send out feeler signals, similar to radar, picking up vibrations from nearby worms and shrimp. But the platypus can become a surprise attacker. Its hidden weapons: sharp spurs located above the heels of its hind legs. Both sexes have these spurs at birth, yet females shed theirs at 3 months. This difference reveals the spur's primary purpose: male-to-male combat. Males use their lethal daggers most frequently during mating season, fending off rivals and showing their dominance. These dueling weapons make them one of the only venomous mammals on Earth. The spur works like a hypodermic needle, injecting a lethal cocktail of over 25 compounds from a toxic gland inside the animal's upper thigh. The sting is excruciating. In seconds, it causes bleeding and burning. Victims like dogs and cats die.